How to fix screen not responding to touches on Poco M8. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device. If you want to restart device, click power button and volume up button at the time and restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on additional settings. After click on additional settings, click on developer option. After click on developer option, scroll down and search media setting from here. Click on media DRM setting. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, so again click on settings app. Scroll down and click on more connectivity options and click on reset setting. Enter phone pin. Click on next. After click on next, click on OK. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen not responding to touches on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.